Denny from Missouri City wants to know about vacation preparation.
Oh, he's a lucky man. He's going on an extended vacation trip. So Denny writes, would you like to come with me? No, he says,
not at all.
I would appreciate. No, we like working every day. We wouldn't know what to do if we weren't working. Anyway, I would appreciate your recommendations, he says, on things to do in preparation. He says, one thing I plan to do is increase the thermostat setting to 78. I've seen where people shut their water main off. And what are your thoughts on that and anything else I should do?
Remember in the old days you had to get your neighbors to pick up the newspaper?
Yeah.
We don't have to. We can cross that one off. People don't get the newspaper anymore. Yeah, turn the water off to the house. You can set your thermostat at 82. And it'll acclimate the house enough to where you won't get any problems. It won't overheat the house. That's what I used to set my beach house on when I left, whether it was for a month or just a week. Just put it on 82. If it was the wintertime, I would tell you 65. But as far as the water, yes, turn the water off to the house. You don't have to necessarily drain the pipes, but you don't want it pressurized in case something breaks during your extended vacation.
And it can happen. I mean, it can
it can happen right now. I mean, but
this minute, you could be watching this video.
But think about a month of it, and water pouring out underneath your front door, and nobody pays attention.
There's a good time.
Or they can't get in to stop it, or they don't know what to do. So just take the pressure off the house.
And gas, just leave that be.
Leave the gas on. That's not a problem. You don't want to mess with that. Don't turn your water heater off. Just keep it full, because if you turn it down and don't keep it hot, it's going to grow a bunch of bacteria and schmutz in it. And you don't want that.
It's schmutzy, skanky, yucky.
Yeah, it'll be gross when you get back. So it's just going to maintain the water temperature.
Right. So it's simple enough. Turn off the water.
Yeah.
Turn up the AC, lock the door, feed the dog.
Yeah, and if you got a light system that comes on and off with timers and stuff,
that's
there you go.
That's a great idea. You bet.
Yeah, so
you bet. And if you're really paranoid, you can get like a Nest camera and look at your house every now and then on vacation.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
All right. But you know what you should do? He'll agree with this. Send us your questions to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them here, as you can see in these videos over here, or you can subscribe to our channel.